If Microsoft Word is suddenly refusing to save your document in Windows 10, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step. This is one of those problems that can happen for a few different reasons, like folder permission issues, a blocked save location, or Windows security interfering with the file. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without losing your work. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more useful Windows and Microsoft Office fixes. Now let's get into the first solution. The quickest thing to try is Save As instead of a normal save. In Word, click File, then choose Save As. Instead of saving to the same folder, pick a different location such as your desktop or Documents folder and give the file a slightly different name. This often works because it bypasses problems with the original folder, file path, or a temporary permissions issue. If Word saves successfully in the new location, then you've confirmed the issue is likely with the folder or file path, not the document itself. Next, if that still does not work, check the folder permissions. Right-click the folder where you are trying to save the document, then choose Properties. Open the Security tab and look for your Windows user account in the list. Make sure your account has full control or at least right permissions. If permissions are restricted, Word may not be allowed to save changes there. Click Edit if available, select your user account and allow the proper permissions. Then click Apply and OK and try saving the document again. Another common cause is Windows security blocking Word from writing to protected folders. To check this, open Windows Security from the Start menu. Go to Virus and Threat Protection, then scroll down and select Manage Ransomware Protection. Here you'll find Controlled Folder Access. This feature can stop apps like Word from saving files to certain folders, especially protected locations like Documents or Desktop. If it is turned on, you can temporarily switch it off just long enough to test whether it is causing the problem. After that, go back to Word and try saving again. If the file now saves properly, you've found the source of the issue. Just remember to turn protection back on afterward if you need it for security. Another simple but important fix is to close other apps that may be using the same file or folder. If the document is open somewhere else, synced with cloud software, or locked by another program, Word may fail to save changes. Close any extra Word windows, file explorers, or backup tools, and if needed, restart your computer to clear anything holding the file open. Also, make sure the document name is not too long and does not contain unusual characters that Windows may struggle with. Shorter names and simple folder paths can often solve save errors immediately. If you still cannot save the file, try copying all of the content into a brand new Word document and saving that new file instead. Sometimes the original document becomes corrupted, and creating a fresh file is the fastest way around it. You can do this by pressing Ctrl-A to select everything, Ctrl-C to copy, then open a new blank document and paste the content there before saving again. Once you've gone through these steps, Word should be able to save normally again in Windows 10. The key fixes are using Save As, checking folder permissions, and making sure controlled folder access is not blocking Word. If this video helped you solve the problem, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy computer troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.